Hello my students, grade 4, how are you? Now we will solve page 183 from المعاصر book, multiple choice questions. Look at with me about this question here. Question number 1. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. Which set is summarizing the following bar model? We have here 3 part from 6 part. 3 over 6. 3 part colored over 6. It's meaning 3 multiply by 1 over 6. We must choose letter D. Which bar model represents the following multiplication equations? 3 times 1 over 4. It's meaning 3 over 4. He colored 3 parts from 4 parts. 3 colored here from 4 parts. 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6. We can eat them, right? 6 in numerator, 1 plus 1 equal 2, 2 over 6, it's meaning 2 multiply 1 over 6. Choose letter B. Question number 4, 3 times half, it's meaning 3 times 1. 3 times 1 equal 3 over 2. 3 over 2, it's meaning 1 and half. We can write 2 in numerator, 3 divided by 2 equal 1 and the remainder 1. So 3 divided by 2 equal 1 and half. Choose letter D. 1 over 10 times 1. 1 over 10 times 10 equal what? Equal 1. The result will be 1. Question number 6. 2 over 7 multiplied by 3. We can find the result. Write 1 in numerator here. 3 times 2 equals 6 and 1 times 7 equals 7. The result will be 6 over 7. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 repeated 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 over 5 multiplied by 4. 7 times 1 over 10, it's meaning 7 over 10. It's meaning 7 over 10. Okay, and what about this wrong? And this wrong? And this wrong? Here, 2 over 10 plus 5 over 10, it's 7 over 10. We can write 2 over 10 plus 5 over 10. Here, okay. 9 times 1 over 6. We can write 6 in numerator and 1 times 5 equal 5. 5 over 6. It will be letter D because 1 times 5 or 6 is meaning 5 or 6. 3 times 1 over 4. It will be 3 times 1 equal 3 and 4 in the numerator, 3 over 4. It's meaning what? 3 over 4 where? 4 times 1 over 3? It's wrong. 3 and 1 over 4? No, it's wrong. It's because we have a mixed number here. And if we add here 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4, it will be 3 over 4. Choose letter B. Now, we will solve unit 9. Model 1. Okay, page 189. Choose the correct answer. 3 over 8 equal what? 3 over 8 equal 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8. Choose letter B about this example. 14 over 3 as a mixed number. We can write 3 in the numerator. 14 divided by 3 equal 4. And the remainder 2 because 3 times 4 equal 12 and the remainder 2. 3 over 8 is greater than 1 over 8. Letter D. 3 over 8 greater than 1 over 8. Complete. 5 and 1 over 6 plus 1 and 4 over 6. We have like denominator here, right? 6 in denominator. And 5 plus 1 equals 6. 4 plus 1 equals 5. The result will be 6 and 5 over 6. And 2 plus 1 over 7 plus 3 plus 3 over 7. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Denominator 7, 3 plus 1 equal 4. To subtract 2 over 9, we know 2 will be 1 and 9 over 9. Convert from this whole number here to mixed number. To find the result because we have number here, whole number here, 2, convert to mixed number, 1 and 9 over 9. Subtract 2 over 9, we write 1 minus 1, 0 equal 1. And 9 minus 2 equals 7 and write 9 in the numerator. The result will be 1 and 7 over 9. Match here 3 over 4 and 5 times 1 over 4 here and 1 subtract 3 over 7 subtract 2 over 7, 1 and 5 over 7, and 1 about right hand side and the left hand side. Okay, look at here about this example, 2 over 7, here 2 over 7. We can find the result first about this example, such that 5 times 1 over 4, it will be 5 over 4, okay? And this example 1 will be 7 over 7. 7 minus 3 equal 4. 4 minus 2 equal 2. The result will be 2 over 7. We will choose here number 1. And 1 and 5 over 7, we can convert here as 7 in the numerator. 1 times 7, 7 plus 5 equal 12. It will be letter, question number 5 about letter, this result, 5 about letter T. And the whole number here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a whole number. 7 sevenths, okay? 7 sevenths equal 1. We must choose here about number 3. It will be 1. 1 equal all these fractions. And what about 3 over 4? Look at here. About 15 over 20. You can simplify it by dividing by 5. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. And 20 divided by 5 equal 4. You must choose 3 over 4 about the first here. Put true or false. 5 over 7 greater than 2 over 7. It's true. And 7 over 8 greater than half or not. We know half. It will be what? 4 times 2 equal 8 and 1 times 4 equal 4. So 7 over 8 greater than 4 over 8 is true. And 3 plus 4 plus 1 over 3 equal 8 over 3. True or false? We can find the result by left hand side. 3 plus 4 equals 7. The result will be 7 and 1 over 3. And this example we can find the result here. Write 3 in the numerator. Convert the following proper to mixed number. 3 times 2 equals 6 and the remainder by 2. So the result will be false. Question number 5. Sarah is making a bank beater. The recap calls 7 over 10 of Joy's milk. And she only has 2 over 10. Now, he need to make a bank beater. Find how much more milk. We can find the difference. 7 over 10 subtract 2 over 10. Because she wanted to do pancake. Pancake want 7 over 10. But 7 over 10 of milk, but she has now only 2 over 10 of milk. So she want to a judge of milk about what? 5 over 10. She want half of a judge of milk. It will be 1 over 2. You can simplify this fraction. Okay, so the remainder will be what? Half. She want half of judge of milk. It was page 189. Okay,